Have you ever wondered how massive machines can complete exhausting tasks so quickly and efficiently? Join us as we explore the most innovative and incredible machinery found in factories around the world. From sophisticated production lines to high-tech equipment, you'll be amazed by their precision and ingenuity. Watch the entire video so you don't miss these incredibly satisfying moments. Ever wondered how product packaging gets its vibrant colors and crisp designs? No hand painting, no slow processes, just pure high-speed printing perfection. Using advanced high-speed printing technology, this machine applies intricate designs with razor-sharp precision, ensuring every detail is flawless. Each color is carefully aligned using precision laser calibration, preventing smudging and misalignment, even at thousands of prints per minute. Ever wondered how farmers efficiently turn raw plant materials into nutritious feed for livestock? No manual chopping, no wasted effort, just the power of automation at work. With razor-sharp rotating blades, this machine shreds plant material into fine, uniform pieces, perfect for feeding cattle, goats, and poultry. With adjustable cutting sizes, farmers can customize the feed texture for different types of livestock, optimizing digestion and reducing waste. Ever wondered how millions of disposable paper cups are made every day? No manual labor, no delays, just pure automation turning paper into perfectly formed cups in seconds. Each paper sheet is cut into exact shapes, ensuring zero waste and maximum efficiency before moving into the forming stage. No glue, no leaks, just seamless bonding that keeps the cup sturdy and durable for both hot and cold beverages. Ever wondered how millions of cotton swabs are made every day? No manual wrapping, no inconsistencies, just pure automation, ensuring precision and hygiene in every piece. Each swab stick is precisely cut to size and smoothed to ensure a comfortable and safe user experience. A delicate yet high-speed process. The machine precisely winds fluffy, sterilized cotton onto each tip, creating perfectly shaped swabs in seconds. Every swab goes through UV sterilization and quality checks, making sure it meets strict hygiene standards before reaching consumers. Ever wondered how bricks and concrete balls are made with precision and consistency? No manual labor, no uneven shapes, just a seamless, fully automated process from start to finish. The raw materials are perfectly blended, ensuring each batch has the right strength and durability before being shaped into bricks and balls. With precision molding technology, every brick and ball is compressed under extreme pressure, ensuring they are dense, uniform, and built to last. From liquid mortar to solid structures in mere minutes, this is the future of high-speed, high-precision construction material production. Fascinated by this cutting-edge process? Stay tuned for more incredible industrial manufacturing innovations. Ever wondered what happens to empty cans and plastic bottles after they're thrown away? No clutter, no waste, just high-pressure compaction turning bulky trash into neatly compressed blocks. All materials are sorted and directed to the compactor, where extreme force will reduce their size by up to 90%. Under intense pressure, air is squeezed out, and the once loose, messy waste becomes tightly packed, making transportation and recycling easier than ever. From scattered waste to organized, recyclable blocks in seconds, this is the future of sustainable waste management. Ever wondered how your favorite canned tomatoes are made? From raw steel to perfectly sealed cans, every step is automated for precision and efficiency. Thin sheets of food-grade, tin-coated steel are shaped into perfect cylinders, ensuring durability and freshness for months. Now, the can is ready for its filling. Fresh, juicy tomatoes straight from the farm. Only the best tomatoes make it through. These are sorted, chopped, and filled within minutes to lock in maximum freshness and flavor. Through pressurized heat treatment, any remaining bacteria are eliminated, making the cans shelf-stable and safe for long-term storage. Final touch. Each can is neatly wrapped with a vibrant, informative label, ready to stand out on store shelves. Ever wondered how fresh grapes are transformed into delicious bottled juice? No manual squeezing, no mess, just pure automation ensuring every drop is fresh and flavorful. The grapes are thoroughly washed and sorted, removing stems and any impurities to ensure only the best fruit goes into the juice. From vineyard to bottle in just minutes. This is the future of precision juice production, ensuring quality in every sip. You've just witnessed some of the most brilliant machines and high-tech tools. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to join us for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.